If your driveway currently looks like this and you want it to look more like this, stick around. Maybe you get some ideas that'll help you. This is the magic right here, this woven geotextile roll. If I spent $600 on it, I save that much every year in maintenance and stone. So the first step is to grade your base. Then you roll out the fabric. You can weight the sides, corners with stone. Land the stone. You can tailgate it if it's not too steep. Otherwise, you drop a pile and then you'll have to wheelbarrow it. I started to wheelbarrow it. It was kind of slow. So I made a grading beam. It was just a piece of heavy angular iron held to the digging bucket with a come along. It was a little redneck, but it worked. And here's the finished product. So this is 4 years later. And for the most part, it held up fairly well. Back dragging a plow lifted the fabric where it got thin in some places. But usually I would hold it up a little bit so it wasn't so bad. But you can see the areas that typically got really soft and flooded in the spring held up fine. And I haven't added material in 4 years, so there's some bare spots. I'll probably have to bring in a couple of yards. So this is a slate pothole. I'm going to lay some more filter fabric in here, geotextile, and probably add some of this excess gravel that fell off on the side. And in this area where the plow grabbed it, I'm going to remove this material and then put the fabric back and put the gravel on top of it. It doesn't get a lot of use in this area anyway.